In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate Stripe payment notifications with Zapier. Whether you're running an online business and want instant updates on every transaction, or you simply want to save time managing your payments, this quick step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process so you can streamline your workflow effortlessly. First, open your browser and go to the Zapier website. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, you can quickly sign up using your Google account. Once you're in, click Login at the top right corner, and you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From here, you'll see an overview of all your existing automations called Zaps. Next, click on the Create button to start building a new Zap. This will take you to a setup screen where you can choose your trigger app. In the search bar, type Stripe and select it from the list. Zapier will now display several trigger options related to Stripe. Choose New Payment as your trigger. This means that every time a new payment occurs in Stripe, Zapier will automatically detect it and trigger your chosen action. Now, it's time to connect your Stripe account. Click Connect Stripe, then follow the pop-up instructions to securely sign in. Once connected, you can click Test Trigger to ensure everything is working properly. This test helps Zapier confirm that it can read payment data from your Stripe account without any issues. Once the trigger setup is complete, it's time to create the action. What happens next when a payment comes in? Click on Action, then search for Gmail as your app. From the available options, select Send Email. This will allow Zapier to send an email notification automatically whenever Stripe records a new payment. If prompted, sign into your Gmail account and grant permission for Zapier to send emails on your behalf. Before finishing, make sure your email message looks the way you want. Include payment details like the amount or customer name if needed. Then click Test Action to verify everything is set up correctly. If the test email arrives in your inbox, that means your automation is working perfectly. Once you're happy with your setup, click Publish Zap. From now on, every time someone makes a payment through your Stripe account, you'll instantly receive an email notification through Zapier, no manual checking required. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully automated Stripe payment notifications using Zapier. This saves you time, keeps you informed in real time, and ensures you never miss an important transaction again. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.